Okay. Hi guys, my name is Kennedy, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Play-Doh dress for one of our My Little Pony dolls. This is going to be a fully dress, but we're going to use all the Play-Doh probably. But if we don't, we're just going to flip that back into the container. So first, we want to flatten it out with our hands a little, with my hands. And I'm going to roll it out now. Don't push kind of hard. If you use one of these rollers, they have handles. They're really very hard to use though. But they're kind of nice sometimes. They can be very nice sometimes. Just sometimes. So I'm going to cut the side and the top off, and then the bottom. And do that. Fix that. And then we're going to cut out the shape. We're going to do a little curve at the top, and then a little triangle. We're going to cut that out. And then we're just going to cut the top. And we're just gonna put that on her leg, or whatever these are called. Gonna make a little line. Put that through the middle. Kind of hard to do sometimes, but turns out better when it's done. This part. I'm really fine. No, John. I'm really fine, Mama.
Okay.
This. Just don't put that. We're gonna re-roll it. And we're gonna pull this through. This Play-Doh is actually really hard, easy to rip. So we want to be very, very careful. There's one. Try to make it stick. And then we'll do that. And then we'll use another piece. Play-Doh to do on this one. And then we're going to just cut another strip of Play-Doh, sparkly yellow Play-Doh. And we're going to use our hand to roll that out. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Green. Everything everywhere. No, Mace, you can't use that one. My sissy needs that. And I'm just going to cut another one. And we're going to use that. Don't roll it out, kind of, with our hands. And we're going to wrap that around. And cut that out. Cut another one. So there's her little pants. Try them to stick really well. And they're really sticky sometimes. And I'll use one of the tops for the top of her dress. Just don't cut it a little. Use the top of it for the top of her dress. Give her a little. And then we're just going to cut a little in the back. And for her horn, we're just going to wrap some purple Play-Doh. Use some more. And look. And we're just going to use this and make a little thing right there. A little necklace for her. There we go. Wait.
No, you flip
Our outfit is done. There we go.